How to connect Shopify store to TikTok Shop. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Shopify store to TikTok Shop. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify and TikTok Shop, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission with no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading global e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create their own online stores and sell products both online and in physical locations, in which the platform provides a comprehensive suite of services including payment processing, marketing tools, shipping solutions, and customer engagement features designed to facilitate the entire retail process for businesses of all sizes. And also the platform also includes advanced features such as AI-driven product recommendations, secure checkout options, and extensive app integrations that enhance functionality. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click Start Free Trial button. Then you will be directed in here where you can start signing up using your email address, using your Google account, and even Apple ID and Facebook account in here. After signing in, you will now be able to be directed in this overview of Shopify.com. And it will show you in the left side panel some of the options to start navigating. But to start connecting Shopify store to your TikTok shop in here, the first thing that we need to do is simply use some other application or install an application on Shopify so we can start connecting our TikTok shop to this Shopify store. So just go back to the Shopify store and click this Add Apps button, and in this pop-up window, you simply click the scroll down and click the Shopify App Store in here. Upon clicking the button, you'll be directed in this page where you can start navigating some of the other application, but just go to the search bar and kindly search for the word TikTok. And upon searching on it, it will show you all of the results in here. And as you can see, we have here Pixel Pro, Quick Sync, Pixel, and many more. But in those options of the result, can you proceed by clicking this Aftership feed for TikTok Shop. By clicking this one, you'll automatically be directed in here, and it will show you the overview about this application, including the feature bit, which is automatic product sync, Shopify compatibility, revenue protection, streamlined management, and seamless returns. And below, if you scroll down, it will show you the pricing plan that it offers by Aftership. You have here starter and growth plan, and aside from that, with its corresponding prices and list of benefits included. But now to proceed, kindly click this install button, and after that you will be directed in here. And again, just click the install button to start proceeding installing this application on our Shopify store. And upon installing it, you will now be able to be directed on this page. And as you can see, you need to connect your TikTok Shop store, and just click disconnect and click here either United States, outside the US, or Spain. But I'm going to choose outside the US since I am not located inside the US. And upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to be directed on the next tab in here. And all you need to do on this TikTok Shop Seller Center is to simply choose here your country. Let's say I'm going to choose Philippines and click next button, since it is needed in order to authorize the connection or to link the Shopify store to our TikTok shop. And after that, under this app details or in this pop-up window, just click this confirm button or confirm to install. But make sure to also include here or input your contact email address before you install it. And after doing that, the next thing that you need to do to authorize it or to authenticate is simply check these boxes below the acknowledgement and click authorize button. And upon clicking on install button, all you need to do is wait for it to load and be authorized in here. And after that, you'll now be able to be directed on this page once again, and all you need to do is to simply wait for it to load, and you will go back to this page, and it will show you that Aftership is now connecting your Shopify store into your TikTok Shop account. So all you need to do is to go back to this page once again and click this next button to confirm connecting your TikTok Shop in here. And you could also add the auto sync order and navigate some other options in here. But now to proceed, kindly click this get started button, and upon doing so, you will now be able to be directed on the next stage, which is sync settings. So from here, all you need to do is wait for it to load again, and you will now be able to see here that you are now successfully connect your Shopify store to your TikTok shop. So we can now start proceeding, navigating some other options such as the orders in here. But on the left side panel, just click these products in here to start creating or adding our products on our Shopify store. And after that, from here, we can start filling out the required information, including the title, description, the media files. For example, the first thing that I'm going to do is to simply upload here a media files or the picture of the product that I'm going to add on my Shopify store. So you can simply choose on your computer files. And after that, you simply enter here the title of the product that you are selling. I'm going to enter men's bag. And for the description, you could also enter here about the description of your product. Let's say I'm going to enter cotton green men's bag. And after filling out the required information below, you could also start entering here the price of the product that you are selling. And also the truck inventory. Let's say I'm going to enter an inventory which is 88 available in here. And after that, below you could also enter the weight since we're selling a physical product in here. And if you're not done, just click the save button below to start saving the changes, which indicate that we will now successfully create our first product or other product in here on our Shopify store. And now if you also want to start importing a product from Shopify store to your TikTok shop account, all you need to do is simply go back to your after ship. But in order to do that, you could simply click the sales channel, or you could also go to the settings option on the left side panel, and from here it will show you other options again, and just click these apps and sales channels in here, and it will show you all of the install application, and click this after ship and click open sales channel in here. And upon doing so, you will now be able to be directed in this page, and all you need to do is simply track or navigate the option on the top panel with here home, products, listings, category templates, orders, and settings. So as you can see, you can navigate all of these, such as the orders from your TikTok shop account in here. But by clicking this product button, it will show us that we can start mapping the product from our Shopify store or importing it to our TikTok shop. So can I click or check these boxes and click map product. And after that, it will show in here the sales channels. So we have here the TikTok shop account and map category in here. So just click this map button to proceed. And upon doing so, it will show you that it is now currently running. So all you need to do is wait for it to load, and after the task has been completed, you can now start clicking the sync now button in order for it to be synced or be imported on the left side panel or the product section on your TikTok shop in here. So make sure to click manage products, and it will show you the list of the products that you are currently selling on your TikTok shop account in here. But as you can see in here, it is not currently on this page, or the product that we can find on Shopify is not in here. So just click the sync now button, and upon doing so, all you need to do is to wait for it to load. But at this point, you can track here that the status of it is currently pending. So you can simply wait for it to be fully successful or under this active section in here. And after that, you can now track here on your TikTok shop account this kind of product. So now as you can see, we have now successfully connect our TikTok shop in here using the application that we can find on Shopify. And integrating Shopify with TikTok shop presents significant advantages for e-commerce businesses looking to enhance their online presence and drive sales. And overall, that is just basically how you can connect Shopify store to TikTok shop. Thank you.